Now, we've a recipe that's perfect for all you air fryer owners who love meals that are quick, easy, and mostly delicious.
That's right. Eva Pao from Asia Market joins us, and there's air fryer chicken on the menu.
There is. So I have deboned chicken here. Okay, and then I'm going to add in a few ingredients. One is hoisin sauce. So this is my hoisin sauce here.
Okay.
I don't know if you're familiar with using a hoisin sauce, but it's a lovely kind of, you can see it's kind of like a thick, and it's sweet and it's salty, and it's just amazing. It's the main ingredient in like hoisin sauce is like a fermented soybean.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So it's, but like if you're thinking of any, you know, marinating or, actually, do you know what? The easiest thing is, you know, when you have Peking duck.
Yes, I thought duck.
That sauce is the base of that is the hoisin.
Can I ask you?
Yes.
You're not going to need the more common parts of the chicken to make this. You can use the likes of thighs. You can use legs.
Anything, really.
Okay.
I like the thigh meat just because I feel like it's very succulent, but you can use like fillet, you can use like chicken wings, you can use this to marinate anything you want. Okay. Because charsiu, I guess, in Chinese cooking is usually for pork, but I'm using chicken. Okay. You know, so and then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of oyster sauce and some soy.
Okay.
And then 2 other ingredients, a little bit of sugar to add a bit of sweetness. Okay, a tablespoon of sugar. And then I'm going to add in some minced kind of garlic to add a little bit of flavour, about a teaspoon. And I'm going to add in some white pepper. And that is it. So you kind of leave this to marinate for minimum of about 30 minutes in the fridge. And then you can, or even overnight, you know, it's better even overnight. And you can kind of, like, I think just using it in the air fryer is really simple and quick, and it only takes like about 20 minutes, and you're done, you know. Okay. And so you leave this on the, so you leave this to marinate on the side, and then I'm going to now make a cucumber salad. So I don't know, for cucumber salad, we're going to use like this Asian type of rice vinegar. Right. So it's a black vinegar, and this one is seasoned. So it's been balanced with some salt, some sugar. So all you need is to add in 3 tablespoons of this, and your cucumber salad will taste amazing.
Okay, is that like the vinaigrette? Like that's the dressing?
The balsamic vinegar,
yeah.
Similar to, because it's like a dark vinegar. It's not the kind of white wine vinegar, or so. But I mean, like we use this dark vinegar for like dipping for dumplings. So there's actually a lot of uses for it, and also for noodles. You know, we dip noodles in it, and it tastes really good. So I'm just going to add in about 3 tablespoons of the rice vinegar, and I've actually done something to the cucumber before. So like last night I salted it. So you salt the cucumber because the cucumber can be quite watery. Yeah. Yeah, so to get that water out, because if if you skip the step, it's okay, you know, but your sauce could be a little bit watered down. So what you can do is just salt the cucumber for 20 minutes and then rinse it under cold water. And then you get really crunchy kind of cucumber, and you don't get as much water out from it.
Okay, does that shrink it as well? No?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of cucumber, no. I've got the cucumber. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic, and then some chilli, just a bit of colour, and then some coriander.
All right.
And
do you like coriander?
I wouldn't be its biggest fan.
My mum.
It will not put me off this.
Take out the coriander now.
It will not put me off this, Ava. Don't worry about that.
Well, I am starving, so I'll eat the
coriander is one of those things that you either love it or hate it.
It's crazy, isn't it? People say it just tastes like toothpaste. No, what does it taste like?
Soap.
Soap. Okay, never mind.
So I've added in also a tablespoon of soy sauce, and that is it. You really leave it, like I like it cold, so I leave it in the fridge for another 15 minutes to marinate.
Do you need to cover it, or is it fine as it is if you're putting it into the fridge?
I always cover it.
Yeah, me too.
Just because it just keeps in the smell and, you know.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, and then it's ready to dish up, really. So I have some cucumber, and if you want to make it a bit more of a substantial meal, what you could do is serve it with some rice. So I sometimes serve it with some rice.
Okay. Now, this chicken has gone into the air fryer. You've used parchment paper because Brooke says you want to save on the cleaning. You don't want too much washing up going on.
Guilty.
Parchment paper.
It's the best godsend ever. No cleaning up.
So that will go into into your air fryer
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes at what kind of heat?
200.
So much.
200 degrees, yeah. So I have it on here. I guess every fryer is different, but I have mine on 200 degrees and I've done it for 20 minutes. So
This smells unbelievable.
I just love the way the air fryer, you don't need to kind of be at the hob and you can just go off and do something else. So, and while it's creative.
Oh, yeah. You happy, girl? I'm a happy boy. That was delicious.
The flavours are so good in that. Oh, it's amazing. Eva, thank you so much.
Great to see you.
Oh, the flavours of that are amazing. If you would love, the full recipe details are up on our website. Or for more from Eva, you can call into her at Asia Market and tell her that we sent you.
Yeah, she'd probably bar you.
Well,
Yeah. Just go in. Up next, prepare to be bowled over as Derek hits the cricket pitch. We'll see you in a few minutes
See you
after
then.
this break.